Hey, this one is touching me.
Oh, you got 3 of them. Are they just waiting their turn or what?
Remember, as long birdie at a time, okay? Let's move to the next one, honey. They're not going to come to our hands, only the seed sticks. The other wild birds are not as friendly as the pet budgies. Seed sticks have food attached to the end.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Whoa! Oh, you want to stay nice? Let's go with this little white guy. We were trying to help him. He just came back from healthcare today, so this is his first time flying outside.
Wow.
Yes, we want to be really gentle with him so he feels safe out here. We'll come out and seed sticks.
Was he ill or just needing?
He's had chronic eye problems
Oh.
since he was a chick, but he's finally better. He was actually up there for longer than he needed to be because his brother was up there.
Oh.
His brother was having problems and he didn't want to separate them. So yeah, now they're both back. And
That's good.
first time he's out, so I'm here. This one's empty, but still okay with him outside. That's a dirty stick that came off. We don't want to get that.
He's what?
How do I remember that? I actually just saw it like 2 minutes ago.
Oh,
So that's how I remember.
I see.
Other than that, his name is Whitey. Where's the toothpick?
Well, you can buy the seeds for $1 at the window, okay?
We still need to name this one. He's a really boy to look at. He's a pocket type. Oh, yeah, Bucky doesn't want to come to your steak, buddy. So can you put it in the bucket for me? It's all empty. Good job, bud. What about this one? That's Iggy. Good job, you guys. Iggy. Piggy has lines all across his head. Iggy doesn't.
Did you just get a monster seed stick? They're all coming to you.